Alright, so the drying process is all done, so let's take a look at our desiccants. Alright, let's dump them out and see how we did. Now, I did notice that the basket here turned blue. I think it's because the dye in the desiccant packets began to leak. But other than that, this thing is perfectly fine. It's not warped. It looks as hideous as it did going in. Now, for the desiccant packets, the camera makes them look a lot more blue than they actually are in real life. They're actually more purple. I guess we can compare them to a unused one. I guess the unused one looks a little darker than the regenerated one. I'm not sure if these still work because I did oversaturate them. Put them in this bucket of water to saturate them, and I forgot about them for about 2 to 3 hours. So when I came back, the packets were full of water. I tried to get out as much water as I could before putting them in the SpacePi, but I guess there was still a ton in there because these were in there for 28 hours at 75 degrees. But then partway through, I set it to 85, which is the maximum the SpacePi can go. And yeah. This is the result of it. Now, I'm pretty sure conventionally used desiccants wouldn't take as long, but this experiment was a little bit overkill on the saturations. But all things considered, I think the SpacePi did pretty well. Now, according to the package, you can use a microwave or a toaster, but I don't have access to either one that I want to put desiccants in. Also, the SpacePi claims it can dry these out, and I wanted to give it a try. And with that, this concludes our desiccant drying saga. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for more.